Welcome to the Breadstone Ovens Company. Today we are going to be making lamb stew. We have some lamb stew meat, some onions, potatoes. We have, of course, some salt, some pepper, some thyme. We have some chopped garlic, some carrots. We have some beef broth, some butter, and a little bit of flour. We're going to start by putting some of the oil into the cast iron pan. And we're going to add the lamb meat. We're going to add the onions, the carrots, the garlic, some salt, some pepper, some of the thyme. And we're going to put it in the oven fairly hot so we can really saute all the meat and the vegetables. We just took the meat out of the oven and the meat has nicely browned. The onions are caramelized. Everything is nicely colored. So we're going to mix it a little bit. We're going to add the potatoes. Mix it one more time. We're going to add a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and we're going to pour the beef broth on top of it. The potatoes don't have to be completely submerged in the broth. They can just be sitting on top a little bit. We're going to cover it with foil. We're going to put it back in the oven. We're going to cook it for about an hour at 325 to 350 degrees or until the potatoes are soft. So the potatoes are nicely cooked. They fall apart nicely. Scoop it into the dish and serve it that way.